Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I am Jenna. On this channel you are going to find everything related to my beautiful, gorgeous 4C natural hair journey, hairstyles, reviews and more. On today's video I want to give you some inspiration, some Nigerian style inspiration of hairstyle for Valentine's Day or whatever. Just a hairstyle. I mean, in case you have a loved one or just want to enjoy yourself. Sister, if that's something you may be interested in, stick by and continue watching. If you are new to my channel, sister, hello, welcome. I greet you. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. If you are a returning subscriber, baby girl, hey there. Thanks so much for coming back, for sticking around with me, for enjoying the time with me. On today's video, I will be using a new hyped airline that I got my fingers on, the 4C only hair product. I'm going to test them, and then after I finish testing it and creating the hairstyle, make sure you stick by and come back to the end of the video and hear my complete, my tea and juice, what I have to say about them. Are they really worth the hype? I would say stick by and continue watching. And also, today's video is a collaboration with my beautiful Angela, aka 𝐓𝐈𝐿. Angela is a natural hair girl, also 4C hair. Our hair are literally one-to-one, exactly the same. She's based in Nigeria, so if you are in Nigeria and you're looking for a natural hair sister, to follow and to see what they are doing, then you may want to check out Angela's profile. Angela is my personal hair inspo girl because her hair is long, sister. It's long. Her hair is like the double length of mine. Angela do a lot of low manipulation hairstyle videos, hairstyle that she created herself. She's so funny, just lovely. I'm gonna put her little video under the description box so you guys can have a look at it. She will be creating the same hairstyle like I do. So if you want to know how this hairstyle that I created look like on a way more longer hair, you do want to check out her video. It's gorgeous. It's worth it. Let's get right into the video. I wanted to show you guys some details of the filtry product I already used, and somehow I managed to spill the shampoo. I don't know what happened. However, this shampoo have a medium thick consistent, so it's very kind of light with it but also a little bit thick. The deep conditioner is really thick as well, and the leave-in conditioner have this gelée kind of consistent, but it's very also lightweighted. Later on, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm going to apply the styling cream. Then I'm going to use, of course, for this hairstyle, my distilled water, my extra virgin olive oil, separation comb, a white tooth comb, and my hairband, and of course my African clothing. So people, I hope you wrap your hair in a microfiber towel or a t-shirt after you wash it. So this is my hair after I washed it. Now I'm just gonna unravel the hair to show you guys how the hair look like after my hair have absorbed the leave-in conditioner. So create this hairstyle, I went ahead and part out a section in the front part of my head where I wanted my bangs to be so I braided that and left it by side. Then, since water is always my first base, before I go ahead and apply any product at all again into my hair, I just went ahead and spritz my hair with bit water and massage that in. You can tell that I'm low porosity because the water and the product, just the first few minutes, they just sit on top of my hair. So this styling cream is thick but lightweighted. I know it's sitting on my hair. You guys may be wondering, why is she putting that much product into her hair? Look, have you seen how much hair I have on my head, sister? It's a lot. So in order for this product to penetrate into my hair, I have to go ahead and massage it in. Here, as you can see, I'm using my detangling brush, not to detangle my hair, but just like to smoothing in my hairline. You can tell the often I smooth in through my hair and massage everything in, the more my hair is absorbing the product into it. So this step that I'm doing now is because I am about to tie my hair away, and my hairline, like the hairline around the place that I'm going to tie away, I won't be able to access that area. So you just saw me applying the extra virgin oil into my scalp as well, because I wanted to just like, I want my scalp to get also the nutrition from the oil. So I massage that well into my scalp before I end up tying my hair up. I use my hair string. This is just like a regular broken tie of mine that I usually just use to do my hair. Nothing crazy. You don't have to go out there and buy something. So you guys see that weird wiggling movement I'm doing with my forehead? I'm doing that so that I'm able to feel where my hair is too tight in my hair tie. So I just loosen that up. Now what I'm doing here is I took out a small section out of that puff position that I just did, spritz it with water, apply my styling cream, add my extra virgin olive oil into it, finger detangle, then with a wire tooth comb, and after that I divide that section into two, twist 1/3 of it, it's supposed to look like this, and then you bend it up just like I'm doing over here, and then you just like twirl one end with one strings of the hair. So I've done this hairstyle before, like the marshmallow fluffs area. If you guys are interested in that, I'm gonna link the video somewhere up there so you guys can take a look to a detailed tutorial just for the marshmallow fluffs at the back. Now let's get to the front section, which is supposed to end up as a pony. Okay, what I'm doing now, I take a small section out, spritz it with water just as I did before, and going to massage the water in, apply the styling cream, also add oil as well. And then I have these floxy rods tools at home that I've never used before, so I'm trying them today the first time. After using these flexi rods, I don't know what to think of them. I think I need bigger ones. This one was way too small. At least the curls that came out later, they were very cute, but I was wanting them to be a little bit, bigger. Okay, later on you're gonna see that I'm gonna go ahead and apply heat to that front section of mine. The reason for that was because I was running out of time. I woke up at 7 to do my hair, but at the end I knew that it's gonna take longer than that, so I didn't want to go out like that, to go to work like that, so I had to think of something. That's why I use heat. It's not dry. Okay, at least I tried. And we're gonna do the front today evening, go to bed, and then show you guys tomorrow morning how it's gonna look. After applying heat with a very low heat level for 20 minutes, it was not dry, so I still kind of made the best out of it so that I can go to work. So I went ahead and used those type of like pins. Those were like really bobby pins. I don't know how you call them. Please comment below if you know how you call them. So I just tried to fix the ponytail really quick because I was really running late. I don't know how I managed on that day to catch my train, because when I realized I was running late, it was like 10 minutes left and I needed to run. However, when I came back from work, I ended up redoing that section again, and it took me actually 3 days for it to completely dry. But I wasn't going anywhere at home anyway, so I was at home. I just let it dry without using any heat, and you can see how it look when it's completely dry. It look juicy. It look I am still new to separating hair, like after applying hair tools and stuff like that, so I still have to learn how to prevent this freeze after like separating the curls. I'm sure you all have the African clothing wrapping thing at home. Just wrap that however you want around your hair. Right now I'm just like trying to tie the hair behind my ponytail. At the beginning, as you guys saw, I tied it exactly in the middle of the ponytail to give me like, the illusion that I cut the ponytail like in the middle. I don't know if that even makes sense what I just said, but You guys saw this kind of bobby pin. I still don't know how you call them. They are not bobby pins because I don't like bobby pins on my hair. I went ahead and put some beautiful earrings. I was feeling myself. I love this look. This orange, yellowish red look beautiful on me, on my skin. What do you think? Don't you think that hairstyle look gorgeous? I barely put on makeup, but when I put on makeup, like every once in a while, I feel extra. If you want to look divine in the next following, holidays, Valentine's, whatever, I don't know, birthday, you may want to rock this hairstyle, sister. You may want to rock it. I think you're gonna look gorgeous on it because I felt while I was creating this hairstyle. It's been a little over a few days now, and I'm still loving it. Let's get to the final review of this hyped 4C only product. As you can see, I put them here. They came in 4 products: shampoo, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and a styling cream. It's like a whole line for a whole wash day. I love that. I love that. So the shampoo, it's the first time in my entire natural hair journey that I got a shampoo as a container. I always want my conditioner to be in container, and they are like the first company that I get my hands on who have their conditioner in a container. However, the shampoo is in a container as well, which was kind of like unusual to me, but I still enjoyed using it because I just put it somewhere in my shower, and I was able to scoop in with my fingers and just put it straight on my scalp and work it in there. I loved it. You don't need a lot of this shampoo, okay? It says too clean. Yes, it is too clean. Your hair feel afterwards very moisturized and clean. It is thick though. A dime size is enough, like for each section of your hair, in case you wash your hair in section. What I would recommend you, if you're a natural hair girl, aren't washing your hair in section, sister, I think you are doing something wrong, eh? Okay, so this shampoo smells delicious. It smells like marshmallow. You just feel like when you're using this, you wish, like, at least when I was using it, I was like hoping my wash is gonna take forever because the scent was so calming. I really enjoyed using that. To the conditioner, the deep conditioner, which says too thick. Yeah, you see that? It is thick. I wish you guys can smell it because their whole entire line, they all smells the same, and I love that. And also they were all felt all the way to the lid. So after one wash day, this is how much I still have left. It comes in like 355 ml, which I think it's a very good size and amount that you have. I have really plenty of hair. I hope you guys were able to see that. So I really went heavy-handed on my deep conditioner. Yes, my hair felt very deep conditioned and well moisturized afterwards. The leave-in conditioner, sister, if you are going to use this, I used this like 3 times before I actually created this hairstyle. I used it the first 2 times, and the first time I was way too heavy and handed on it. So if you are low porosity like me, you want to be less heavy-handed in your styling creams. Like in deep conditioner, it doesn't matter because you're going to wash it out anyway afterwards. But like in whatever thing you're gonna spray into your hair or cream that you're gonna put into your hair, make sure you are not heavy-handed on it. At least I made the experience with their Too Soft leave-in conditioner. I took way too much. So this is how it looked like. You guys can see I have my hair in there. After using this 3 times, I still have way much left to use for my next following wash days. This is also 355 ml. It said Too Soft. I have to say that this leave-in conditioner is very, it looked like it's thick, but it's very lightweighted. Let me guys show you guys. It looked like kind of like a gelée, but once you put it on your hand and apply it in your hair, it's very lightweighted. Again, if you are gonna get this, don't be heavy-handed on it if you are a low porosity girl. Okay, it smells exactly as a shampoo and in the conditioner. I love that it's in a container because I can dip my hands in it. I've always been looking for that in products. The styling cream. The styling cream is the one that I haven't used that much yet. This is thick. Okay, the only product out of all this line is really thin, is like, which is thick but also liquidy, is only the shampoo. All the other three are very, you know, there stays in and it's thick. It stays where it's supposed to be. Smells delicious just like the other one. This is more like a yogurt, like a thick yogurt consistent, as you can see, while the leave-in conditioner was more like a gelée form consistent. I also love that well though. My end final thoughts to this hairline. Do I think it's worth the hype? I think yeah. Like, finally there is a brand out there who is just like dedicated to our 4 type hair. Especially this one is just like 4C only. This is their first collection, and I feel like the person behind this brand really think about what 4 type girls are looking for, especially like 4C girl, because while I was using this product at all, I really felt like it was making my wash day easier, my styling process easier. It was really indeed helping me with everything to work very smooth without, you know, having any struggles at all. Will I recommend this product? Yes. Will I get them again when I'm empty? Yes, right away. Now that you saw me creating my hair, make sure don't forget to go to Angela's account, sister. Don't forget to go and see how her hairstyle turned out. Okay, and let me know under the comment section, sister, what you think of this hairstyle of mine. If you have any question, any thoughts, anything to say, make sure you leave it under the comment section. Don't just come here and watch and take all the tips that I'm giving you without sharing your tips as well. Like, if you have any hair product that you love using, or any hair tool or whatever you use for your hair that make your wash day easier, please, sister, drop your thoughts, drop everything below. All natural hair girls will be happy to read them and maybe, you know, and learn out of it. I'm gonna make myself some gorgeous and delicious food, sit down, do my nails, watch Netflix, and enjoy myself. You should do the same. I put on all this hair and makeup just to feel good about myself. Every now and then we should be doing that. You should be doing that. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. If you don't, nobody else is gonna do that for you. So people, enough for today. I think I've talked way too much already. Sister, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, make sure you come back on.